Hey guys, it's Brandon Hines here with the Whitetail Factor. It's the opener of the adult season in Indiana. We're cruising up 65 North right now. Turn this music down a little bit. Headed towards the Clark County farm here. It's where my son just killed a bird. You've probably already seen that hunt. Killed that opening morning of the youth hunt last Saturday. So I've been fighting some weather. Bad storms are going to be in and out. Kind of like last year, it rained, but we still had a good day. Winds are supposed to stay down, but I think it's supposed to pick up raining again about 10-15. So I know where some birds are roosting. I have not moved in on them. We tried to call them to us that Saturday. Ended up having a silent bird come in behind us. So those birds haven't been screwed with too awful much. So I'm actually going to move down onto that cut bean field this morning and set up and just see what can happen. I have not been out here since Saturday. Haven't checked on the birds, haven't made sure they're roosting in the same spot. I know we open so late, birds will tend to start doing different things here in our season. So some of these birds could have moved on. They had been there for quite a few weeks. So I don't know, guys. We're just gonna check it out. Hopefully the weather cooperates, and doing a little self-filming this morning. Let's see if we can't knock one down. Talk to y'all in a little while. I think his bird saw my decoys already. Pretty sure he's on the ground, just across this field. Maybe he didn't. He might have been turning on the limb. But I've got two gobblers. One directly in front of the camera and one to the right. Man, I walked right past those gobblers to the right. All right, guys, well, it's opening day here in Indiana. I'm in Clark County. As you saw, I had 3 toms come in. Hens pitched right to my setup. They were roosted really close. It just worked out well. I'd been hearing birds on this field a lot. We've been hunting the clover plots over here. Got one with my son the other day, so I stayed off this field. I know they use it. We've killed many birds out here before, so just slid in today, chanced the rain, and I just decided to come out, and it worked out well. They were roosted. This bird and the one that was kind of flogging him after he died were roosted right over here. The other bird that came in first was roosted in this back corner. So I just had to clear the field because the birds were just going to stay here. I want to pick my stuff up and get out of here as quick as I can. Then I'm going to come back here Friday with my daughter. It's going to be the first day she's able to, so see if we can't get us a bird. The first bird that came in was the most mature. This is a 3-year-old. It's got nice pointy hooks, about 1 inch long. So I don't know. It was an awesome morning. It just worked out great. I didn't have to do much calling, and you know, this is just for scouting birds, knowing what they're doing, not messing with them, letting them do their thing. Indiana opens real late. I mean, just on last Saturday on the youth hunt, I had 6 different toms in this corner. There wasn't a single one there today. Only 3 birds out here. So they're starting to break up, move around, just like I was talking about this morning. There's just a lot of hens have been bred already, I believe, so they're out searching for those ones that haven't, and Indiana's just hard sometimes because of that reason. It's hard to pattern them, and then once we open, actually be able to stay right on them. But today I got lucky. That has nothing to do with me being a great turkey hunter or anything. It just worked out perfect. Those hens pitched right into my setup. If they would have pitched out into the middle of this field, I'd still be sitting there calling with live hens, walking these birds all around the field. It just so happened they pulled him in. He was 48 yards and got a good shot on him. So I'm happy. My season's over. I'm going to concentrate on my daughter's bird now. So thanks for watching.